Today we're gonna try to attempt to make it work.
So confident. What are we doing today?
Burning the bus,
What are we doing today?
dumping the bus in the ocean.
You. In today's episode of our shuttle bus build project, we are taking you along on a very exciting job, and that is the exterior paint job of our shuttle bus. This is the before of our shuttle bus, after we spent about a week prepping and sanding and washing it. And this is what it looks like after we painted it. Stay tuned, we're going to show you exactly how we did this and what products we used. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to see more. Oh. What's today?
Sunday.
You're so bad. Is that funny, Ruby?
What's today, baby?
It's painting day.
Maybe.
No, we are.
Maybe. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna paint the bus.
How are we gonna paint the bus? Tell everyone how we're gonna paint the bus. Do we know how we're gonna paint the bus?
Yeah, with a spray gun.
Okay, what's gonna happen? Let everyone know step by step what's gonna happen.
We've sanded the bus. We had this big sticker on it. We've sanded it all with 40 grit, 60 grit, and 80 grit to get this sticker off. And then we re-sanded it, by we I mean me, obviously.
Obviously. She did everything on her own.
With 400. Ruby the bird thinks we're speaking to him. And we just took it to the car wash, so it's nice and clean. And now we are going to tape up all the windows and get it ready to paint. Because the bus is fiberglass, we are using just your standard exterior house paint with several coats of it and adding Floetrol. Is it working? Why? Thin? Or thick? Where'd we go?
Home. Buy a new bus.
We went to the hardware store to get rollers because the spray gun was not working. It was making it like really bubbly and rough. So we're gonna try to roll it on and hopefully that works out better.
Hopefully.
We used both a larger roller and a smaller roller for the smaller areas to roll on 3 coats of paint of our base layer. We did this in one day. And then on the morning of day 2, we taped up the bus where we were going to add the stripes down the side. If you're adding stripes on your bus, just make sure that you press the tape in really well so that no paint bleeds as it dries. Today is our last day of painting the bus. We are going to Mexico tomorrow, so we have no choice but to finish today. So we've just woken up, we're deep cleaning the bus to prepare for Mexico, had a coffee, and now it is time to take off some tape. We ran out of tape, so we're gonna reuse that tape to paint the bottom stripe. For these stripes, we are using 2 different colors of paint, and again, we just bought the bare. It's pretty bright. We added a little bit of Floetrol to this just to thin it out a bit, which was actually the recommendation for the spray. We used the smaller roller brush for the base of the bus as well as the stripes, and we did about 4 layers of each of these as well. Exterior house paint. This was because the back part of the bus is fiberglass, but the cab is metal, so we needed a paint that could be used both on metal and fiberglass, and we were advised by the guys at the paint department at our local hardware store to use this type of paint. absolute most satisfying part of the paint job, removing the tape. We were super nervous about this, especially for the stripes, but it turned out surprisingly well. And this is what the final product looks like, and we are super stoked with our results.